Welcome to the Vodia PBX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to set up agent groups in the Vodia PBX. From the Administrator System level, click on the Domains tab. Then click on List from the dropdown. Choose your domain from here. Click on Agent Groups under the Accounts tab. Click on the Add button. Under the Account Names field, type in a number for your queue. In the Display Name field, type in the name of your queue. Click on Create when you're finished. You can now edit your newly created queue by clicking on it. There are a lot of different settings to configure here, so you'll want to go through and pick what's best for your queue. First of all, you can add different kinds of agents. Primary agents are extensions that are added to the queue and do not need to log in. The Extensions that can add themselves field is where you'll want to add extensions that can dynamically join and leave when they need to. The next step is to configure the Advanced Agent settings. The Algorithm for selecting Next Agent field is where you can choose how your queue rings agents. The Position for Adding Agent field is where you can start new agents in the front or back of the queue. The Condition for Including More Agents field is where you can customize the queue on when to pick agents. Once you're done modifying your agent group to your liking, scroll down and click on the Save button. Congratulations! You've successfully configured an agent group in the Vodia PBX. Check back for more videos on Vodia as well as other helpful guides.